So LIC is a dairy cooperative which adds a huge amount of value on farms, over $400 million per annum. And so I've been here for 25 years and in the last 18 years been involved in the research and development team. So in total we have 41 people in our group. We underpin a lot of the science that underpins a lot of our products that farmers buy. Our traditional area has been around quantitative genetics, which is more my training. We have semen research, analytics. As a business we've moved into farm automation and also more recently moved into an area around rapid prototyping, so software development. So across these teams we have some really talented staff, which makes my job pretty easy to manage them. And some of the key projects that we've been involved in have been around genomic selection. We sell about 75 to 80% of the semen that's inseminated into dairy cows, which generates a huge amount of genetic improvement, which benefits dairy farmers by about 300 to 350 million per annum. So one of the key projects that we had was trying to identify aspects of the DNA that predicts how well a bull will breed daughters. That was a project that we worked on for a number of years, took to the market back in 2008. Had some interesting times at the start. The first 2 or 3 years weren't quite as successful as we would have liked, but putting the focus back into it and actually reanalyzing data, adding extra data to the data sets has now made a substantial improvement to our breeding scheme. The improvement and the confidence that we have through the business around this has been really encouraging. And that's actually one of the things that this drives this research and development team, is actually developing products which farmers end up using. And so my role really is ensuring that we actually do deliver, but also ensure that the wider organisation knows how to tap into this team, how to use the skill sets that we have. We've picked up as a team design thinking, where we spend a lot of time talking to farmers and trying to understand the need and the want, and then we go through and rapidly develop some products, and from that we test with farmers and bring that forward and back. We've just announced that with Fonterra that we've brought together a joint venture. So the team, as I said, is very varied, very talented. My job is just to ensure that that talent is pointed towards the right products for our farmers.